go to the Fork. Fork's the always best place to be when I'm waiting for pirates to come along. Dirty Rotten Pirate, Guybrush, Ugly Pirate. Oh, two Ugly Pirates. Who's going to be first? The Ugly Pirate's getting there first? Stopping a pirate can be dangerous to your health. It's a nice night we're having, isn't it? I sure hopes you be something me for something about. I can never get that. My name's Guybrush Stupid. Prepare to die. Oh. So I don't know why. I always used to do that whenever I read that. Soon you'll be wearing my sword like a shish kebab. I am rubber. You are glue. You always tend to lose the first fight. You've only got 2 insults, basically. You fight like a dairy farmer. How appropriate. You fight like a cow. I once owned a dog. I know that he must have taught you everything you know. Basically, you've got to fail when they give you fight like a dairy farm. So obviously I know the response to that one, which is how appropriate. You fight like a cow. Am I going to win then? No. See, now I can't win because that's not an insult. So I lose. I give up. You win. Okay, I don't think I'm going to be able to defeat Carla, but let's give it a go. Save the game. I get so into this that I forget to save the game. Having a dance. Having a dance, having a dance. Having a dance, 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 dance. How dare you approach the Swordmaster without permission, which I surely didn't give you. My name is Guybrush Stupid. I've come to kill you. Nothing like being honest. I can tell by your sarcastic expression on your face that you've been fully trained by Captain Smirk. Let's get this over with. My wisest enemies run away from me at the first sight. Oh, it's even before they smell your breath. So I'm already losing. I've got a long, sharp lesson for you to learn today. And I've got a little tip for you. Get the point? My tongue is sharper than any sword. I hope you've learned to stop picking your nose. No, I didn't think that would. Imagine if you picked your nose with your tongue. That'd be disgusting. My name is feared in every dirty corner of this island. Oh, that's the, what about getting the job about the janitor? Well, there's quite a few I haven't got yet, then. Okay. If your brother's like you, better to marry a pig. What? If your brother's like you, better to marry a pig. I wanted to make sure you feel comfortable with me. I didn't think that would work. My sword is famous all over. Too bad no one's ever heard of you at all. You usually see people like you passed out on tavern floors, even before they smell your breath. Damn it. I can't win this. I give up. You win. I hope this teaches you a lesson. Now scram! I always wanted to get inside our house as well, but you can't. There's no way to do it. Okay, all right. If you're hearing this, then it's probably because I just made a large cut. Reason being was just purely because I had to go back and do a load more sword fighting to try and get some more insults to beat the Swordmaster. Wasn't really anything worth recording because it's fairly troublesome. So let's see if I can beat her again now. There are no clever moves that can help you out. Yes, there are. You've just never learned them. Yes. I usually see people even before they smell your breath. I still haven't got that one. Damn it. My sword is famous all over. Too bad no one's ever heard of you at all. My wisest enemies run away from me at the first sight. Even before they smell your breath? Isn't that one again? Only once have I met such a coward. He must have taught you everything you know. I will milk every drop of blood from your body. How appropriate. You, my dear lady, fight like a cow. My last fight ended with my hands covered in blood. I hope you've learned to stop picking your nose. And I win! Ha ha ha! Okay, you win. Well, I hope you're happy. You can go back and brag to all your friends about how you beat the Swordmaster. You'll need proof. Here, this should convince them. That's another t-shirt. It says, I beat the Swordmaster. I think I'll keep it in mint condition. It might be worth something someday. So, right, now, what was I doing now? I've beaten those dudes. I found the treasure. Oh, I need to steal the idol thing from the governor's mansion. I'm just trying to think. I'm sure there's an Easter egg coming. Oh, I know what it is. I just remembered now. Yeah. Okay, there's an Easter egg coming up that basically you have to wait 10 minutes for. So I will speed up the footage of me waiting. Oh, the little piranha poodles. Deadly piranha poodles. This is where you give them the meat. And then there's a little important notice. These dogs are not dead. They are only sleeping. No animals were harmed during the production of this game. Now what do I do? I think there's a difference here. If you pick up the vase now, he puts it back. If you leave it, he then uses it again later. So I'll pick it up because no, I want you to walk through the door. This looks like a job for Fester Shinetop. You need to. It's the stuff. It's the verb bar, the bit at the bottom. That you need to. Better leave this here. The fact you don't get to see any of this. Hypnotize, quarrelsome rhinoceros. Push, red button. Not the red button! Look at tremendous yak. It's a big, ugly, hairy yak wearing some wax lips. Push, tremendously dangerous yak. I can't move it. Pull, tremendously dangerous looking yak. I can't move it. Pick up, staple remover. It's so weird. Use staple remover on tremendously dangerous looking yak. Walk to books. Oh, I'm not in control of shit. Pick up, manual of style. That must be nuts. Pick up, wax lips. Weird. Bloop. Ack! Gophers! Pick up, gopher repellent. Use gopher repellent with gopher. Use gopher repellent with another gopher. Use gopher repellent with gopher horde. Use gopher repellent with funny little man. Womp. Look at fabulous idol. It's beautiful. Open. Lock. Okay. Oh, I need to go and get the file, don't I? Uh-oh. Pick up. Heavy chair. Use heavy chair with sheriff. That should hold him for a while. If only I had a file, I could get that idol. He locked the sheriff in there. That's so weird. No time for reading now. Look at gaping hole. I still don't have the file. This door appears to be locked. Did I pick the vase back up? Yeah. I don't know. I don't think that you need to pick the vase up, but it's funny. Use staple remover. No staples to be removed. This is all pointless. They're yak size and covered with slobber. I'm certainly not going to chew on them. So yeah, I need to give the gopher repellent to Otis. Oh, I need to give Otis the... oh, you can use the gopher repellent on the rat as well, just for a laugh. Gopher repellent with cell. Give breath mints to prisoner. Ooh, Groggo mint. How refreshing. See, I know this off by heart. Have you come to release me? Well, keep a stiff upper lip. I've got to go. Thanks a lot. Hey, this might work on rats. Thanks. Take this carrot cake in exchange. My Aunt Tilly made it. Use cake. File! It's one way of getting out of here, and he doesn't. He doesn't use it. Because I think he hates carrot cake or something. I think if you talk to him, he says he hates carrot cake, and that's why he didn't eat it. Let's go back to the mansion. Now I have the file. Oh, the sleeping piranha poodles. Sleeping peacefully. I can't pick that up. It doesn't seem to work. Well, I have the file. Let's do this. I've got the file. Here we go again. Use manual of style with shredder. Give stylish confetti to heavily armed clown. Throw wax lips in fire. Whomp. Use file on rhinoceros toenails. Use file on lock. Pick up fabulous idol. That was a close one. At least I've got the idol. But I'm not done with you yet. Uh-oh. But you get out of here with the idol of many hands, did you? Look, I can explain. So can I. You poisoned the governor's pet poodles? They're just sleeping. Broke into her house? The door was unlocked. And stole one of her most valuable pieces of art. No, you've got it all wrong. Oh, really? Let's hear your explanation. You say it was. She's like, have a. I was just going to borrow it. It belongs in a museum. Indiana Jones reference. What's going on here? I caught this hoodlum making off with your idol, Governor. He says it belongs in a museum. That's right, it does. What? You heard me, Fester. The real question is, how did he get in here while you were on guard? Just go away, Fester. I can handle this. I'll deal with you later. Sorry about him. He's new. I'm Governor Marley. Governor Elaine Marley. So my idol belongs in a museum, eh? Oh, Guybrush is in love. Relax, Mr. Threepwood. I know why you're here. Believe me, you're not the first who's tried. Although, I have to admit, not many get as far as you have. Jeepers! My lookout told me of your arrival. I've wanted to meet you ever since I heard your fascinating name. Tell me, Guybrush, why do you want to be a pirate? Apparently he's called Guybrush because the original sprite for him was the file name was Guy.brush. So they actually gave him the name Guybrush. I see. You're obviously not in the mood for idle chit-chat, are you? I suppose you've got many more exciting things to do. I won't take up any more of your time, Mr. Threepwood. I really wish I knew how to talk to women. Where do you think you're going, Threeswind? Excuse me, Mr. Shinetop, but you're blocking the doorway. I think you need to cool off. Hand over your sword. Uh-oh. This is the end for you, my little pantalooned pal. Your troublemaking days on Melee Island are over. My plans for the governor are far too important, and much too near completion, to risk letting a would-be pirate like you get in the way. So, Mr. Spicecake, or Droopface, or whatever your name is. So it actually turned out to be a pretty good day.
Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed the video. Because I recorded this as a 3-hour long playthrough, there's no edits in the actual footage, so I've had to put them in now, obviously, for the editing. So, you're going to hear this message at the end of every episode. I apologise, that's going to get a little bit annoying for you. But, as always, I just wanted to say, thanks for watching, like, favourite, subscribe, share, do all of that, it really helps me out a lot. And of course, my usual sign-off, I shall see you all with another episode very soon.